Hi everyone! Today we're gonna make some coated peanuts. Have some while watching a movie with your cold beverage. We won't add any chili today, just garlic, sugar and salt. Pound all three ingredients together. Give it a good mix with the egg. We're making a small batch today, just 150 grams of peanuts. Take your time and just make sure everything is evenly coated. Flour mixture is basically 50% normal flour and 50% corn flour with a bit of bicarbonate soda. It's okay if you want to omit the soda bicarb. We're gonna coat everything in flour twice. It's going to clump up more the second time around, so you're going to use your fingers to separate all the peanuts. Flame on medium. You don't want to overcrowd the pan. If you need to do 2 batches, why not? We're gonna double fry everything. If it works for Korean chicken, I guess it worked for this. When frying on high heat, it's gonna go from crispy to burnt. So, good luck! That thick foam really doesn't help. You can always take it out early and fry it again if it's not crispy. Only thing left to do is pour yourself a cold one and enjoy your peanuts. Please subscribe and click the bell for more videos.